When it comes to finding the best cabinet design software, there are few that have grabbed as much good attention of the professional cabinet makers and interior designers or woodworking hobbyists as Pro100, catering to virtually all its features and demonstrating a highly efficient and versatile design capacity and potential. Pro100 ensures that creating and delivering tailored cabinetry solutions is a walk in the park for the interior design industry. Key features such as three-dimensional modeling, panoramas, and accurate tools make it perfect for designing everything starting with the kitchen and ending with the home entertainment system. Of course, there are other great tools out there based on certain budgets and project requirements. But Pro100 can always garnish its title of being the first as a tool to go for when one wants professional results. Whether it is residential or commercial or a do-it-yourself and life projects, Pro100 helps to make your vision and designs go right in an amazing, perfect way. As of the trends in 2025, the best cabinet design software is rated to be Pro100, that is especially suitable for the woodworking industry because of its numerous features to design cabinets, their pricing, three-dimensional rendering, and cost estimate with photorealistic drawings amongst them. However, basing on the user experience, the specific options vary with other similar software for first-time users and for professional cabinet makers. We expect expansion and acquisition of improved technologies in design and production procedures, such as three-dimensional design software, computer numerical control machines, and automated systems for production. That is why 2025 should be a year for you to own Pro100 software. There is no subscription. It is simply the best cabinet design software that possesses all the tools for cabinet makers, closet manufacturers, interior designers, and much more. The right tool helps you design and plan the kitchens you want, built-in wardrobe, or other creative endeavor with professional precision, eliminating all guesswork. Discover Pro100, the three-dimensional software that combines these features to offer an unmatched design solution for the new year.